أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we are going to learn about the rules of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Before starting Noon Sakin and Tanween, we must know that what is a Noon Sakin or what is a Tanween. So Noon Sakin or Noon silent is the letter is that has jazm or spoon on it. Same here. Double fatha, double kasra or double dhamma is called tanween. We can call them fathatin, kasratin, dhammatin. Also we can call them like tanween fatha, tanween kasra, tanween dhamma. This is called noon silent and tanween. So whenever we see a noon silent or tanween, then there will be four rules. The first rule is called idgham. The second rule is called iqlab. Third rule is called izhar, and the fourth one is called ikhfa. In today's video, we will just learn about the idgham. So whenever we see any of the noon silent or tanween, so we will check what is the letter after noon silent or tanween. If there is ya, noon, mim, waw, so we will mix them and read them as gunna. If there is lam and ra, we will mix them, but we don't do gunna. So the first thing, what is idgham? Idgham, mixing the sound of two letters, is called idgham. Whenever there is a noon silent or tanween, so we will check after it that what is the letter after it. If there are six letters, ya, noon, mim, waw, lam, and ra, we will do idgham then. But on four letters, ya, noon, mim, waw, we will do gunna. And on lam and ra, we will mix them, but we don't do gunna. Let's make it clear. This one is noon silent, and after noon silent, there is ya. It means that now we will mix the sound of noon silent and ya, and we'll read it as gunna. Normally, we will read it faman, but we know that after noon silent, when there is ya, so we will do idgham. So then we will mix the sound of noon silent and ya. We will read it like fa, mai, not man, but mai. Okay? We are doing gunna. Fa mai ya'mal. Now, after noon silent, there is wow. What will we do? We won't read it min. We will read it like mew, mew waroi. So what will we do with tanween? After tanween, we know that when there is ya, nun, mim, waw, we will mix the sound of tanween and these letters ya, nun, mim, waw. Normally we read this one khayran. But now we are going to do idgham. So we will read it like khayrain, khayrain. Same here. Sirajaun. We are not reading it jan. Sirajaun. We are reading it jaun. I hope you got it. Same here. After noon silent or tanween, when there is lam and ra, we will mix them, but we don't do gunna. This one is noon silent, and after noon silent, there is ra. We are not reading it min, but we are reading it mir. Mir rabbika. Same here. Milladunhu. We are not reading it min, but mil. Same here with tanween. Izallafi. Izallafi. We are not reading it izan, but izallafi. So this one is tanween. After tanween, there is lam. La qasa mullaw. Mullaw. We are not reading it mun, but mul. Now let's revise this one. First thing, what is idgham? Mixing the sound of two letters is called idgham. Now, if there is a noon silent or if there is a tanween, and after noon silent or tanween, if there is four letters ya, noon, mim, waw, we will mix them and read them as onna. But if there is lam and ra, we will mix them but we don't do onna. I hope you got the point. As I always request, if you like my video, please subscribe, and if you want to learn, you can contact us. Our contact number is on the screen. So contact us via this number and we will provide 24 by 7 classes. Side by side, we have male and female tutors, and we have low monthly fee and family packages. So if you have any kind of question, you can let me know in the comment section. Till the next video, see you, take care, and Allah Hafiz.